At the right spot. Did you divide by b minus a?
Not yet. I wasn't there yet. I was going to ask you what you got here.
Oh, there. That's right so far. That's what I have.
Did you get -7 over 15?
I got
did not get that.
15.
Okay.
Try flipping the
Let's check in
symbols.
because we got a couple more things here.
Hold on,
Okay,
wait. What do you do
so
after
the
this?
average value, you should have ended up with f of c. The average value in this case is 38/15. Okay, but we have to take it a step further. If you have to find c, what do you do with your average value? You set it equal to
Square root of x.
the original function. Okay, so we're going to set square root of x equal to 38/15. How do you undo a square root?
Square both
Square both
sides.
sides. So what's 38/15 squared?
1,444 over 225.
Should be over 9.
Wait,
15 squared
Oh,
is
sorry. I think it can
225.
reduce.
No.
No.
No, it can't.
No.
Okay, say it again. 1,444 over
225.
25.
Yeah.
Okay, if you are going to give decimal answers, okay, you don't round until the very end. Don't put in rounded numbers and then round that number. Okay, if you want to give a decimal answer, what is 38/15 to 3 decimal places?
Oh, wrong one.
1,448.
I don't know. I don't particularly care.
First.
2.533.
Thank you. Okay, and what is 1,444 divided by 225?
6.418.
Wow, Tim. Someone's in a football mood.
Isn't Frau technically
Why is that 6.4?
That's the result of taking 1,444 and dividing it by 225.
As a decimal.
If you times that one by 2.
Why would you times it by 2?
Okay, let's go on.
Back.
Okay, because
Too much in general.
the reality is you're going to have trigonometry in there. So let's go to number 5.
No.
Find the average value of the function f of x equals sine x on the interval from 0 to pi. Okay, Jenny.
Listen to her after a while.
I don't usually hear Jenny.
She's the one who's always saying that. Oh, I'm in the bus now.
Okay, work on number 5. Average value.
Wait, how do you do it?
And I'm the one with issues.
Why am I working in the corner? Too late. Moving over. Root of pi sine x. Okay. Now what do you do with this? Equals cosine. I did this right. Oh, it's negative.
We worked hard on this last year, okay? We all better know what the cosine of pi is by now.
Cosine of pi? Oh,
Cosine of pi is what? -1. Good. How about the cosine of 0?
1.
And remember, we worked on that, okay? So the average value is 1 over b minus a, which in this case would be 1 over pi times the definite interval value of sine x from 0 to pi. Okay? The integral of sine x is the opposite of cosine of x. Okay, so we pop in the upper limit and the lower limit. I'm just going to leave the 1 over pi out until the end. Let's plug in the top limit. Okay, what is the opposite of the cosine of pi?
1.
1 minus -1. Opposite of the cosine of 0. What is 1 minus a -1?
42.
2 over pi is the average value.
Wait, where did the
Okay,
42
exact answers are the best
Oh,
answers.
Oh. Don't do that, man.
We all good?
Stop.
Okay, so this last problem is just kind of an accumulation of all the different topics that we've worked with since the beginning of the period. Okay? Everybody good on 6? 5, sorry. Okay, let's look at 6.
I don't even know what's going on.
Alright, so the graph is given below, obviously not the function, but the graph of f is given in the figure. I want you to go ahead and evaluate the definite integral from 1 to 7 of f of x dx. Obviously you don't have a function to plug into, so what sort of approach should you take here?
Shoot it right here.
Go for it.
Oh, I see.
What do you do? I really don't know what to do.
It's always kind of funny to see what people decide to divide into what regions. You can do it in more than one way. You can even use a trapezoid here if you want.
Ooh, I want to use a trapezoid.
You can do it. I would think you would do a trapezoid.
I'll do 3 trapezoids.
That's
Okay. Have that or.
What the heck was that?
What do we do? One. Uh-oh. I hate this.
Okay.
Okay. Well, we should.
Should get an answer of 8, by the way, not 9.
What?
Should get an answer of 8.
Oh, that awkward moment. Huh?
There's, oh.
Oh, because we're 1 to 7. Oh.
Ooh.
Okay, I got an
Oh,
eight.
there's
Did you get?
there's another rectangle.
Did you get it? I got it.
Got it.
Did you get eight?
You should get an answer of 8.
Because it's 7
Wait, I'm not there yet.
There's a rectangle.
Stop it.
So did you get eight? Or did you get eight?
Why is it 8?
It's definitely 8.
How is it definitely 8? It's
Okay, again, you have a lot of different ways that you can approach this if you want to. Okay, I would divide it into 2 triangles and 1 rectangle.
Yeah, it's
You
8.
can go for multiple rectangles, you can go for trapezoids, okay, but no matter how you get it, did everybody get an 8?
Yeah.
Do I need to go 2?
Hold on, why did my.
Okay, so now, how do we find the average value on the interval from 1 to 7? Okay, the formula for average value, f of c, is equal to 1 over b minus a. So in this case, what's 7 minus 1? 1, 6 times the definite integral value. So what is 1/6 times 8?
4/3.
4/3.
That's not my 9, okay.
Okay, so that's just going back
Why
to
is
this
it
formula
8?
right here. Okay, just plug in 1 over b minus a. Okay.
Hold on.
Now, look at the last question on the paper there. Okay, it says determine the answers to parts A and B if the graph is simply translated 2 units upward. So if we actually just move each point up 2, okay, would these triangular regions change at all?
No.
What's going to change is the area of the rectangle. Okay, so see if you can just go ahead and finish that out and get those 2 answers. I'll verify them later.
It's 8 plus 6. What is 8 plus 6?
Yes.
8 plus 12.
You should get answers of 20 and then 10/3.
Wait, how do you do that?
I don't understand how B.
Okay, I'm still. This is 9. I'm getting 9. Okay, I'm already stuck.
Alright, here's one way to look at it. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes.
That's what I did wrong. Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
I got 2 worksheets coming at you.
That's 6.
Wait, Hunter, why is it
You know what I'm doing now? That's 8.
Why is it 1/6?
It's 1
What's
over
b minus a?
What is 7 minus 1? Okay, now how do you do C?
Okay, couple things.
Okay,
If
you have your
check
area
the
here, right?
calendar for
All you
today.
have to do is
There
add.
are 2 worksheets assigned, but there's also work in the book. Don't skip that.
So that'd be 12.
So it'd be 3 times 2?
So it'd be 8 plus 12. Because you're just imagining the graph's been moved up 2 spots.
Oh, you're adding the area of this.
So you're adding the area underneath.
Oh, got it.
thought you were just nonchalantly canceling out home.
It's 10/3.
Why is it 10/3?
10/3 because it's 20 over 6. It's your
1 over b minus a.
it's your area over b minus a.
I got it now. Makes sense.
So you add 12 to the area, which would be 20, so you just
Here's the review worksheet. There's 2 separate worksheets and a review worksheet.
Oh my goodness.